May Mendoza update yung event ni Main for Smart. And suppose ni Miss Abby. Sabi, one fine day with Main and Smart. Hug thanks to Smart for this very memorable day. Love you always and forever, May Mendoza. Ito yung video.
Smart family for arranging this intimate meet and greet. Thank you, Bebe. Thank you, Bebe. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Got the like I said, kanina, as always, just leading and quick interactions with you guys. From you, natin first today, and 10 years na kayong supporters, so natin ka rin natin first, and natin ka rin natin about each other. So thank you so much, and it's a weekend, Saturday, so enjoy the rest of the weekend, and don't forget to stay connected. Smart and Power On 99. Now with more data, you get 10 gigabytes of data and on the calls and texts on the TikTok and Facebook for 7 days. So, goods na kayo for the upcoming. Thank you so much.
Karoon ng meet and greet with May. Ayan pa nga. Nanamit niya nga si May. Saka meron din personalized message si May. Nandiyan sa meet and greet. For Smart. Ganda ni May. Don't forget subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.